Hey everybody, this is Ray Ogilvy in Hartsville, South Carolina. Now here's a common backyard bird that can be seen all over the southern half of the United States. This is a male and female blue grosbeak. It's easy to recognize the male because of its deep blue color and the two brown stripes on its wings. Here's a female with a pair of house finches. Females are mostly brown, but this female here has a pretty light blue face. Blue grosbeaks are members of the cardinal family, and like the northern cardinal, they have thick bills well suited for eating seeds. While seeds are an important part of their diet, blue grosbeaks primarily eat insects and other invertebrates. Enjoy these beautiful birds while you can. In the winter, they'll migrate south to Mexico and Central America.